For the purpose of tracking and recovering your stolen mobile phone handset, LK Cellular Connect Zimbabwe is here to put back a smile on your face. To enhance mobile phone device recovery efforts in Zimbabwe and deter the user of stolen cell phones, all you need to do is to find your IMEI number on any phone by dialing *#06# and store the 15-digit number somewhere safe. When your phone is stolen, notify the police with your IMEI 15-digit code, then bring the police report to LK Cellular Connect Zimbabwe. Tracking locally and internationally is our everyday business. Remember, for only $1, we can keep safe your IMEI in our state-of-the-art system by registering in advance your mobile devices with LK Cellular Connect Zimbabwe via our website. For more info, call our help desk at LK Cellular Connect Zimbabwe. Our business is to combat smartphone theft in Zimbabwe.